Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install VN Video Editor on your PC or laptop in a very simple. So let's get started. First, open your browser like Chrome. In the search bar, type LD Player and open the official website. Once the website opens, you will see different versions like LD Player 5 and LD Player 9. Click on LD Player 9. Download it on your computer. After the download is complete, open a file and start the installation. Wait for a few minutes until it installs completely. Once installed, click on Start to launch the emulator. Now the emulator will open and you will see a home screen just like an Android phone. Here, look for System Apps and click on it. Inside that, open the Play Store. Now sign in with your Google account if required. After that, go to the search bar in the Play Store and type VN Video Editor and press search. You will see the app and the results. Click on Install and wait for it to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open the VN app, and now you can use it on your PC or laptop just like on a mobile phone. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.